Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how I finished up this level and did set dressing for Intro to Unreal Engine 4. So, from what I could tell, set dressing is whenever you add small details to your scene, such as an outlet, or a light post, or even dust, and the sun shafts I added, but I would consider that set dressing. So basically what I did was I just went over to our props, click all three of those except for the lamp. I'll bring them into my level, and there they are. So I'm going to set them up against the wall, and I'm going to raise it up a little bit. And as you can see, I deleted these on this wall just so that I could show you, so I'm just going to put that in place. It looks decent. And I'm going to rotate it, get it all ready. And I can raise up the hook, put it in place, rotate it. There we go. And it looks like it might be off center. So what we can do is just make sure that all of this is up against the wall. And so I'm looking in the Y direction, so let's try a side view. Or top view, that'll work. Hit F to center in, and I will move these over to the wall. The wall is right here. So it looks like we need to turn off our grid toggle, and that is right up against the wall. So let's go back to perspective mode, and yeah, it looks pretty good. And I'm just going to move that over on top of that pipe. And okay, so I can copy and paste this by Control W, and that duplicated it. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and move it upward and to the side. Here, let me just focus in on that a little better. Still not used to Unreal Engine 4's movement, but I'll get there. So that's perfect. So that is an example of set dressing, just adding those small details to the scene that make it look a little bit less barren. So for the light, same idea, just bring it in, and there it is. And this light is actually toggleable, and so I can show you how I did that. I'll just delete that one. The light, like any other light, you place it, drag it, there it is. And by default, it is set to not visible, but then we have this trigger right here, this button, which whenever you move through it, it turns on the light. But you have to be in play first. So I'll show you that. You can move forward, and it turns on. Move backward, turns off. Forward, backward. So it's triggered by collision, and I'll show you that by going to my blueprints. Here it is. On actor begin overlap, so whenever you enter the trigger box, it activates toggle visibility. What's it toggle visibility? It's toggling the visibility for this point light, which is the target. And whenever you leave the box, it also toggles visibility. So that is how you can set dress your levels and also the blueprint layouts to toggle visibility for light.